Good afternoon, ma'am. My topic for today is all about creativity matters, writing features articles. So first, feature story, its concept and nature. In defining news were hard tasks for many writers due to its many perspectives. Feature stories would be less difficult. Many writers agree on the concept and nature of feature story. So, sa news daw is napakahirap para sa mga manulat dahil sa iba't ibang way kung paano magsulat ng mga news. So, feature stories is hindi ganon kahirap kaysa sa mga normal news. Feature stories is an interesting article that focuses on certain people, places, events, or subject matter like career, relationships, money, health, lifestyle, among others. So, feature story is pagpi-feature sa mga tao, places, event, or subject matter like career relationships. Example na lang is if feature mo yung story ng isang tao sa newspaper. Example na lang is yung buhay ng isang presidente. Isulat mo through newspaper yung kung ano yung buhay niya. So according to Okoye, 2012, feature story is an in-depth and factual write-up at topical issue which seeks to give comprehensive information in more captivating and relaxed style than straight news. So yung feature story daw is makatotohanan tungkol sa taong kung sino yung gusto mong i-feature, which is nagbibigay ng impormasyon kaysa sa mga straight news. Kasi sa feature story, nakalagay doon yung mga sometimes is yung mga information ng mga ng taong gusto mong i-feature. According to Reuters Handbook of Journalism, feature story is an insight into a trend or an issue or personality. It enlightens the reader about that trend, issue, or personality in a broad context. So sabi naman ni Reuters Handbook of Journalism, feature story is sometimes is nalalagay doon yung mga trend or issue about sa topic mo, which is na-enlighten yung mga reader about sa mga nangyayari sa paligid natin. So, it uses specific examples to illustrate that trend or issue and put them in broad framework that allows the social, economic, corporate, and political implication to shine through, whether sectoral, national, or global. So, marami ding nakakakita about sa mga feature story. It's either sectoral, national, or global. A feature articles relate to many forms and subjects. Siyempre, sa feature, nakalagay dyan kung ano yung forms or styles ng kung ano yung style na ginagamit mo sa pag-feature ng article. So, writing a feature is a war of creativity or the use of language. Siyempre, sa writing of feature, it's either you are creative or kailangan yung mga use of language mo is not slang. It's formal. It is so stylistic that it entails a writer, constant reading, and interminable practice. We have a characteristic of feature stories. So first is variety of subject matter. A feature story can take any topic under the sun. The kindling of the reader's interest or such a topic primarily depends on the writer's creativity on using the language. So isa sa mga characteristic ng feature story is yung subject matter, which is ito yung topic natin. It's either depende sa writers kung ano yung gagamitin niyang subject or topic about sa certain place or certain person. Variety of tones. Since feature stories are meant to entertain other than to inform, the feature writer may use a variety of dramatic tone, say a creepy story, exciting narration, suspensive drama, angry letter, morbid experience, and the like. So, examples na lang ng variety of tones is kung ano yung gagamitin mong theme sa feature stories mo. Example na lang is kapag nag-feature ka ng mga horror story, syempre yung gagamitin mong stones is creepy story. Example na lang as yung mga humorous feature, i-feature mo naman yung mga nakakatawang mga tao na which is sila yung mga joker. And variety of form and style. Feature stories may use any form and any style depend on the writer's judicious judgment to capture easily the reader's attention. And it depend na lang daw kung ano yung gagamitin ng writer na style, kung paano niya mas makakaptivate yung reader's attention. So example na lang dyan is they use persuasive style to captivate the reader's attention. Kung paano mo mahihikayat yung readers na basahin yung feature stories mo. Number 4 is well organized. A feature is actually an essay. So, sa feature stories is kailangan is para daw siyang essay, which is una is introduction, body, and last and conclusion. Kailangan is magkasunod-sunod kung paano mo siya isulat para hindi siya magulo tignan. And number 5 is strikes keynotes in a first sentence. The secret of arousing reader's attention is to intrigue him at the beginning. Kailangan daw sa pagsusulat ng feature stories, ang pinaka-importante din is yung unang sentence pa lang ng feature stories is nakakaptivate mo na yung attention ng nagbabasa para consistent sila sa pagbabasa hanggang sa dulo ng feature stories mo. And number 6 is may or may not be timely. Unlike news articles, feature stories may skip immediacy because it is up for the reader's dexterous use of language to make the antiquated subject rise from the tomb and capture the attention of the current reader. So sometimes daw yung mga kailangan is hindi daw yung feature stories is hindi nag-skip immediacy. Kasi depende na lang kung yung readers is i-skip niya kung paano niya basahin yung feature stories mo. It's either yung feature stories mo is dapat hindi siya gaanong kahaba para hindi maboard yung mga nagbabasa. And then feature flourishes in color, fancy, wit, and humor, anecdotes, and quotation. First is color. Kailangan dyan sa color is focuses mainly on expression or descriptions of subject matter. And fancy is kailangan is hindi siya plain. Kailangan is yung feature stories mo is decorative din. And wit and humor. Syempre, dapat nagflourish yung feature story to may matututunan yung mga readers sa feature story na sinulat mo. And anecdotes. Sometimes they put anecdotes to give interest or amusing about real person or event. Sometimes is may nangyari na nakakatawa sa taong finisher mo is yun yung anecdotes, ikukwento nung writers. Lalagay niya doon sa may feature story. And 5 is quotations. Sometimes naglalagay sila sa feature story ng quotations which is ni-indicate nila yung actual speech na sinabi ng speaker. And qualities of a well-written feature story. First is well-researched. Well-researched is chasing knowledge. Kailangan is yung well-researched is napag-aralan na mabuti yung feature stories mo. And number 2 is catchy. Kailangan is yung feature story mo is catchy or attract. Unang basa pa lang ng is na-catch na sila sa first line ng sentence mo. Number 3 is descriptive. Dito is nade-describe yung taong feature mo. And 4 is exciting. Para mas ma-excite yung mga readers, kailangan is yung na-excite sila through the sentence na nilalagay mo sa feature story. Number 5 is reflective. Nagre-reflect sa kanila kung ano yung story na nilagay mo. And 6 is emotional. sometimes kung na-feel ng mga reader na natatamaan sila sa mga stories na nandoon. Engaging, dapat is attractive or pleasing. And 8 is neutral. Dapat yung feature story mo is unbiased, which is walang pinapanigan. And true, which is kailangan yung stories mo is true, which is full detailed. That's all my report.